Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make cake release paste at home. Before we start off with the video, please do check out our channel for other such videos. We show simple steps to get these amazing shades. Let us know in the comments section which shade you like the most and which shade you want to see next. We also show some quick and easy hacks which you can try at home. Now to start off with the video, first take a small bowl and add in 1 tablespoon of butter into it. Since it's a little cold and hard, I'm going to microwave the butter. After it's melted, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of any vegetable oil. So basically, the measurements here are all of equal parts. 1 tablespoon of butter to 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour to 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Once you've added the vegetable oil, give it a good mix, as shown in the video. If you have this cake release paste, you won't need parchment paper at all anymore. This is a very simple and a hassle-free hack. It's now ready. You can store this for up to 2 months. You can simply apply this on any cake tins or cupcake liners and it'll come out very easily. Let me show you an example now. Here I have 2 cupcake liners and I'm gonna grease them with the cake release paste. I'm gonna add in just a little bit of it on both the liners. And with the help of my finger or a brush, I'm gonna spread it around nicely. I'm gonna do the same with the other one as well. Once I've greased the liners, I'm gonna fill it up with the batter as shown in the video. The batter I'm using here is for Oreo Chocolava cake. If you want to know an easy way to bake an Oreo Chocolava cake, stay tuned for our next video. Once I've filled it up, I'm going to put it in the microwave. After it's microwaved, you can see how easily it comes out because of the cake release paste. I didn't have to put in much efforts at all. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get notified on our new videos.